Khubor ke Shillong Municipal Board SMB rengkat pe Khubor Shillong ke Laitumkhrah ha ke jing senran lang ki pulit ki lapen khoi phar ye ki rut Surok ha barok koi ke Laitumkhrah ha ke khat nyau trik nai lar kinong di madan ki lalum lalang ye ki mar ki mata be ki tiar kitar ki la kenria da ke basuk pan sedang ye ke di ke thiet e ki jaka bala mangkar pang ye ki ha dhan kiti bar ha Brightwell Estate ha barik hakani ke jing pen kenria ikinong di madan la don lang kong amprin ling do MLA kabla kentu bat sneng ikinong di ban kenria shaka jaka bala mangkar pang yeki kenang ba kalik kawan ki pai ba khamtam ki khna skul kan long ka bakal lot bat ka balait na kanu kanu kuching ma kumji uru kalong ka shnong ka thau ru kan long ka bakhot ka basuba bat ka ba itanat Khubor Shar East Khas Hills kelapen biang ikilat para banyada na kanu kanu kuching jab ngusi ki volunteer na Laitumkhrah ki bakentut ki rang ba shnong ki rang ba dong ki Samla ba ki long kumi ki la mi lang ban penya ki ni kaching pen kenria ki nong di madan bakan long ka bayat bet ber ka bajai jai ya kani kaching pen kenria ki nong di madan lapet sani da upi ki boro ki magistrate bat ki pulet ka district la don kat tu kat ni ki tiar gitar ba ki bor ki SMB ki la lum jong ki briu ki ba kentat ban kenria
Yeah, thank you for this. And for this has happened.
Long Khuborjylla, please. Lang katang request na kalian ko. Long yang apa dia sih kan
Just 2 or 3 words. Tengah iki jengmi jong kini ki lang kami nasional.
Ampla, pankren AA. Ni songo yung play track and run. Ulale ya kapa don kamay tangkatang.
What is the status of the municipal?
No, here too we have got 86 houses. All will be located in Dhankiti and private bungalow. Everything is arranged, everything has been done. They are obeying, they are complying, they are cooperating with us. That's all.
No,
Thank you.
Are you accept that the complaint of the hawkers, but it's said only one day if they say they cannot go selling?
No, this is not about 1 day, 2 days and all. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
They are accept or not that?
Yeah, they have accepted, all accepted.
And sir, regarding the hawkers from the jail road, sir, what about them, sir?
No, that's a different issue.
Okay, so can you tell us, sir, because they
That's
were...
a different issue. We'll take action accordingly.
Okay, sir. Thank you.